samples from the Antarctic and the middle of the Pacific. 5 years ago, we scooped up a half-liter of water locally, looking under the microscope and seeing all these technicolored pieces of plastic led me to think of all of these larger questions. How is it affecting the ocean? Our drinking water? Are microplastics everywhere? But I couldn't answer those on my own. So this is when I partnered with adventure scientists.
I'm about to take a microplastic sample.
After analyzing thousands of samples from around the world, we concluded that 74% of them contain microplastic pollution. Microplastics are one of the largest pollution problems